Video game publisher Activision Blizzard and its board of directors are facing a shareholder lawsuit that claims they are merely enriching themselves by selling the company to Microsoft. The lawsuit was filed Thursday in California by shareholder Kyle Watson, alleging Securities Exchange Act violations in its proposed sale plan. Microsoft said in January that it will buy Activision Blizzard for $95 per share, or a total cost of $68.7 billion. The lawsuit claims the deal is not in the best interest of Activision Blizzard, Watson, nor company stockholders, and will produce lucrative benefits for the Activision Blizzard's officers and directors. It called the SEC filing on February 18 setting terms of the deal materially misleading and incomplete.